Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add restriction for all WooCommerce product to sell or shipping our product to specific zip code or multiple zip codes in WooCommerce WordPress. So we are in checkout page and then you see zip code 44000. So we are going to add restriction on this zip code. So you can add multiple zip code and you can add restriction according to requirement. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add plugin. Then in search plugin, write custom location restrictor for WooCommerce. So this is plugin we are using. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it. So this restriction apply on all WooCommerce product and then you see shipping tab, so click on it. So we are in shipping tab and then you see region or zip code restriction, so click on it and then you see error message. So you can customize this error message according to requirement. So you can add placeholder like state, country, zip code. So we are going to add zip code. Now copy. Now you can paste here. So you can customize this message according to requirement and then you see restricted zip code. Enter zip code where shipping is restricted separated by comma. So you can add multiple zip code separated by comma. Now add one. So you can add multiple. So it's up to you. If you want, you can use zone region. Now you see all states and country. So you can select. So it's up to you. And then you see restrict based on only shipping address, billing address, yeah, both. So we select both billing and shipping address and then click on save changes. And then you see your setting has been saved. Now go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now you see our zip code is 44000 and then we are going to place order. Click on it. Now you see error message, but due to your state zip code we are unable to ship our product. So this restriction apply on all WooCommerce product we have. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.